8445 Vast Horizon. This is still drying. The carpets were just cleaned and blinds were installed upstairs, but I don't want to walk on the carpet because it's still wet. So moving over here, he's going to correct the kitchen faucet. I guess it was installed a little tight. Cleaning up paint, baseboards, and flooring and all of that. He's going to install the GFI outside, and they cut down these metal things that were sticking out of the ground here. And they're going to be done soon. This property's almost done. So we reached out to McKenna, and they're going to be scheduling their photographer probably for Monday, just in case. We want to make sure all the work is done and janitorial is complete and all of that.